Have you ever wondered why Jello salads were once a staple at every holiday table? Today, we're diving into the retro world of gelatin dishes to uncover their surprising popularity. Jello salads have a long history, tracing back to when powdered gelatin first hit the U.S. market at the turn of the 20th century. They gained immense popularity in the 1960s due to their ease of preparation. A classic example is Corinne Feldman's Golden Glow Gel salad, featuring lemon-flavored gelatin, crushed pineapple, and shredded carrots. These ingredients created a vibrant dish that was easy to prepare for large gatherings. Psychologist Dr. Rachel Herz suggests the enduring appeal of Jello salads can be attributed to their unique sensory experience, particularly how the smell and texture create a nostalgic feeling. Line Gel O salad is another popular variation. It was often served at holidays, evoking memories of festive tables with multiple dishes. This dish exemplifies the cultural shift in American food trends. Despite their popularity, savory Jello salads have largely been relegated to the snack aisle as modern tastes and dietary concerns have evolved, yet they remain a nostalgic favorite for many. So, why are Jello salads considered vintage? Their rise to popularity in the mid-20th century was driven by convenience and sensory appeal. Today, they serve as a nostalgic reminder of past culinary trends. What's your favorite memory or recipe involving Jello salad? Share it in the comments. And let's relive some classic American food moments together.